Yes, why are you happy about that?
Because we had a lovely, 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 lovely Christmas.
Just keep going, nerd.
No, it's cold outside, and these feathers have insurance. What's up, nerds? Back in Nerd Town.
Take me to school, Mr. Wizard.
Ricky, take this in account in your tiny little brain. I have a name. It is Kamek. Memorize it. Go to school. Become smart. Bye. Just get out of my sight.
Okay, bye, Carl.
Ugh. Man, I'm so tired of babysitting that idiot Ricky every day. If there was a blizzard, then I wouldn't have to take him to school for a week. Ooh, I know. I can make a magic snowstorm. Let there be snow! Oh man, it didn't work. Oh, I guess.
Hello, class. Welcome back from winter break. Now, look, I know that you all do not want to be here, and trust me, I don't either. See, this entire past 2 weeks have been terrible. I fell asleep at 11:59 on New Year's Eve, and for Christmas, all I got was a pair of new shoes. But it doesn't even matter because these shoes are permanently sewed to my body. So I'm going to go around each one of you and ask you what you did over winter break, okay? Okay, Larry, you're first. What did you do? I tried to ignore my younger brother. Okay, what did you do, Junior? I played with my new toys. What did you do, Toad?
Oh, I wrecked some kids with snowballs.
Okay, what did you do, Chloe?
Oh, I just stared at my mirror that I got for Christmas the entire week.
George?
I tried to do the most normal things like sledding and snowball fights.
You're really average, aren't you?
Yeah.
What about you, Lemmy?
Got crushed by a present.
Okay, Ricky.
I had to go to the emergency room because I choked on snow on Christmas Eve.
Okay, what about you, Pigeon?
No, I got some new wings, and they're really getting their mileage because it's cold outside, so I have to fly all the way to school. No.
How did you get new wings?
No, I didn't get new wings. I got new mileage on my wings. My dad got for me for Christmas. No, he's doing me good.
Okay, kids, so since this is only our third school video, we're actually going to start learning. So, oh, my phone's going off. I mean, not my phone. The phone sound effects on this video are going off. I'm going to go check it, okay? Oh, no. What? I don't know what to do. We never practiced a procedure for this. I mean, blizzards, we never have. We live in freaking Virginia. Ah! Kids, I'm sorry to say this, but there's a blizzard, and it seems to be forming right outside of our school. Like someone intentionally put it there. So, I don't know what to do, guys. Alright, I got the blinds down. I guess we have to get the kids to shelter now. Okay, kids, under that Christmas tree that's been conveniently placed here. Go, go, go!
This is not normal! I want to get a normal school year! Ah!
Alright, guys, good job getting out of the tree. What are you guys doing above the tree?
I live by trees.
No, you don't. You're a dinosaur.
And dinosaurs are by trees because dinosaurs...
Whatever, Toad, why are you in the tree?
I like to live on edges, okay? I grew up by trees.
Pigeon, what about you?
No, I live by trees in my natural habitat.
What? You don't even look like a pigeon. What are you?
I'm a rare blue pigeon tweet tweet.
Did it pass?
I'm not sure. Okay, it sounded like the winds died down a bit. I want to go check. Okay, let's check outside. Well, it definitely didn't pass yet. We're gonna have to wait some more. Hey, surely it passed by now. Let's open the door. Yeah. Huh? Uh-oh. The door's locked. Wait, no, it's not. Oh no, there's snow piled up to our door. We're stuck in here forever! I'm gonna die! Hey guys, so the blizzard has passed, but we're stuck in the school. So, I'm gonna go in my safety bunker, aka the bathroom, so I'm not leaving. Goodbye. Fend for yourself. Well, now that we're free to do whatever we want, what are we actually gonna do?
Okay, well then I'm just gonna take a nap.
Hey, Ricky, since you're a dinosaur, will you eat us since you eat meat?
No, because I'm a vegetarian.
Do you even know what that means? No.
So I have an idea. We're going to split ourselves into 3 groups. The intelligent, the average, and the idiots. Okay, so guys, find your group. Hey, congratulations, you two. You have basic intelligence. Wait, Toad, how did you get into this group?
Well, I'm smart. I have to get all those ideas for my pranks from somewhere.
Good enough. And you guys are average. And you guys are the,
Yeah, Ricky, look, Ricky, but we're on the same team.
It's kind of scary, you know, that my older brother is on the same team as Ricky. Yeah.
Well, Ricky's my friend.
Right.
Larry's log, minute 6. We still have everyone remaining in the smart, average, and dumb groups.
Larry, what are you doing?
Oh, this is my Larry's log. It shows like my adventures in this blizzard, and they can make a dramatic Hollywood film about it.
Being a Hollywood celebrity is not average.
Oh. Larry's log, minute 7.
My rich dad should sue the school for making me stay here against my will.
Yeah, you really are stupid. The snow is making you stay here. Is your dad gonna sit here with the snow? You should be over there with Ricky and Lemmy. You really are stupid, you know.
Oh my gosh, because I can only do rock.
No, I can only do paper. How do you think it feels winning all the time in rock, paper,
My
scissors?
hands are round, so I can only choose rock.
No, I'm used to losing all the time. No, well, you know what? Maybe we should train hands if you really want to. I just got new wing mileage and I don't care. If you really want to win that bad, rock, paper, scissors. No, good God.
Don't worry, Pidgey, you'll win sometime.
Minute 13. People are getting in each other's throats, and I don't know how long we can last on our food provisions, except for the full cafeteria that's right over there.
Oh, I got an idea. We go get our instruments and get Fat Snake and then go play them.
George, don't you remember? Last time he's in the hospital, and he's still in there getting ear surgery.
Oh, well, why don't we get all our instruments and play them so the windows will break and then all the snow will come in and then we can just walk out.
Don't you remember? The windows are made out of clear titanium because we broke them last year too.
Oh.
Well, it was really last year because it's New Year now.
Last year.
But that wasn't last year. It was last November.
I'm tired of you being such a smart aleck.
Ah! Larry's log, minute 20. Sometimes being chased by a rabid mushroom may not seem such a bad idea when there's nothing else to do in a school. Larry's log, minute 60. And Ricky passed out in the cafeteria after raiding its warm milk supply.
I hate eating too much.
Chloe's freaking out after going an hour without a mirror. Pigeon is trying to fly out of the ceiling.
No.
Toad is giving George therapy.
It's okay. You don't have to be average all the time.
Well, I've been average for so long.
It's okay, Bunny.
Pigeon is hiding because this is his first year of school. And he's had a very bad experience. Larry's log, minute 120. I resorted to drawing crazy versions of Lemmy, but the real Lemmy has gone far past that.
Going to be shockers. Oh yeah.
He's now addicted to milk.
Oh, I love this. Oh.
George is now unconscious or dead to being not normal. George is trying to create pork chops. Lemmy found the flying shoe. I think this might be my last Larry's log. Hollywood, if you're watching this, do not give them any money to my brother Lemmy. Wait! What about all the older grades. What about Ludwig? They're still here. I'm gonna go see that. Okay, the older grades are up here. I'll holler, Ludwig, anybody, are you up there? Wow, it sounds so quiet. It's like no one's up there. Hang on a minute. Wait, let me see outside. What? The snow melted? That means they must have left hours ago. Guys, guess what? The snow's melted. We can go out. We can leave now. Why should we leave?
Yeah.
Okay, George, you get to be normal. Guys, guess what? The snow melted. We can go home. Why should we leave? Why should we leave? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, George, I know you're not dead.
I'm not-
George,
I'm
you get to be
not.
normal again. Darn! That was the most unnormal thing I think you did in your entire life.
Whoops.
Pigeon, you get to get more mileage on your wings.
Flying away.
Chloe, you get your mirror back.
My mirror.
Toad, you get to, I don't really know, you get to just be you.
I'm on that hot stuff now. I'm out of here, fools.
Ricky, you get to see Kemek again.
Yeah.
I mean, you get to see Carl again. Junior, you get your toys again.
Toys.
And Lemmy, you get to annoy me again.